Okay, comparing statistics for two sets of data. Now, this one, I'm not going to have the calculator up, and you know how to use the calculator by now. If not, go back and watch one of the other two previous videos, two or three previous videos, or come and see me. We have to find the mean and median for each set of data. So let's start with A, and we'll start with Beck. So with Beck, with the mean, we have 42 over 7. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a total of 42, which means we have a mean of 6. And for Rita, we have 64 over the 7 days of the week, which means her mean is 9.1. Now, the median, you put them in order. So we've got 4, 4, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8. The median is 5. And then for Rita, we've got 2, 8, 9, 10, 10, 12, and 14, which means the median equals 10. Okay, so that is the mean and the median. Question B, the range. So once again, we'll go Beck. The range goes from 8 to 4, which means her range is 4. And Rita, her range goes from 14 to 1, which means her range is 13. Now, if you're looking at this in the textbook, they actually made a mistake. They did 14 minus 2, but she definitely has a 1 there. So it goes from 14 to 1. So her range is that. Interquartile range, you could do this in your calculator, or you could work out what your interquartile is. If your median is 5, then your interquartile is 4 and 8. So we're going to have 8 minus 4 equals 4. And for Rita, your median is 10. So you've got 8 and 12. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. So that is your interquartile range for both of them. Question C. Examine the summary statistics and outline any concerns. So we have a look at those and you go, okay, well, median's 5. Like you've got your median, your mean. So your mean, median, your range, and your interquartile ranges, they all look all right, except for one thing. If you have a look at Rita's class, she's got this 1. So she has an outlier. So there is an outlier in Rita's, which is the 1. Okay. That will affect things. If you actually have a look at her range is 13, which is huge. If you got rid of that 1, then her next lowest is 8, and you'd have 14 minus 8, which means her range would be 6, and that is a hugely different. So it affected the range. And what else did it affect? Have a look at her average. Like only getting a 1 for that last one instead of something higher really affected her average as well, or mean and the mean. So it's a bit, those sort of questions are a bit subjective. You've got to decide what the concerns are, but they would be my concerns.